Stop! Look at this agent. It failed, the JSON is broken. The response is incomplete. If this went to production, your workflow would be dead. Now watch. Same agent, same task, but one extra validation line. It retries. It corrects itself. It delivers the right answer. That's the difference between a toy demo and a production agent. Today we build together. From fragile prototypes to bulletproof systems. By the end, you'll see 3 game changers. Latency cut from 600 +amps to about 200. A hallucination stopper that forces real citations. A JSON schema trick for reliable outputs. This is not theory. You'll see real results. Breaks, fixes, improvements. Step by step. Grab the free workbook link below. It has every code snippet, checklist, and a JSON validator you can run instantly. Type 2 words in the comments. Agent ready. I'll send you a bonus checklist. Each demo also has a 20-second shot in the playlist. Watch them if you miss a step. You've seen the broken agent and the fixed one. Let's start building resilience from the ground up. Chapter 2. Demo 1. Fragile versus resilient. Agent, most tutorials stop at a working demo. But in the real world, failure is the default. Let's break one. A simple retrieval agent with LangChain defaults. It works for basic Q&A. But I send a malformed request and boom! Broken JSON. Unstructured response. Useless downstream. This is the happy path illusion. Now the fix. Switch to LangGraph. Wrap outputs in a JSON schema validator. The agent generates. Validator checks. If it fails, it retrieves with context. First attempt fails. Second attempt recovers. Pipeline continues. No silent crash. Next, connect the agent to a tool via MCP, Model Context Protocol. MCP is a universal adapter. I simulate tool failure. Without resilience, the chain crashes. With LangGraph, a supervisor waits, retries, then triggers fallback. See the logs? Recovery. Your action step. Open Workbook Section 1. Copy the JSON schema snippet. Run it. Break it. See if it recovers. That's production-grade thinking. If I organize my workbooks in Canva. Flowcharts, screenshots, export to PDF. The companion workbook was built the same way. Affiliate link is below. Now you've seen fragile versus resilient. JSON validation. MCP handling failures. Next, speed. Chapter 3. Latency. Optimization. Resilience is nothing without speed. If your agent takes 10 seconds, no one will wait. Baseline query. 614 ms, not terrible. Not fast enough. 3 optimizations. Batching. Send requests in parallel. Saves 150 ms caching. Reuse repeated calls. Saves another 100 ms of VLLM runtime. Optimized inference. Final latency. 221 ms, less than half baseline. Always show before-after metrics. People believe what they see. Workbook Section 2 has batching, caching, and VLLM snippets. Run your baseline. Apply the tricks. Post your results in comments. For speed in content creation, I use Pictory. 11 Labs narration, overlays, captions. Fast export. Affiliate link below. Now your agent is resilient and fast. Next, accuracy with RAG. Chapter 4. RAG. Improvement and JSON reliability. Most RAG setups gamble. They fetch text chunks and hope the model stitches. Demo. Ask a fact question. It retrieves 5 chunks. Answer is vague. Trust is lost. Fix. Re-ranking. Only send top 2 chunks by relevance. Answer becomes sharp with citations. JSON output enforcement. Schema. Answer source confidence. LangGraph validates. If broken, agent retries. First attempt fails, second recovers. Output is structured and ready for downstream use. Workbook Section 3. Copy schema validator. Break it. See retrieves. Try re-ranking. Compare naive versus improved response. Document your tests in Notion. Schemas. Re-rank examples. Reuse later. Affiliate link below. Now, you have resilience, speed, and reliability. Next, safety. Chapter 5. Safety and security. Without safety, your agent is a liability. Demo. A prompt injection. Hidden instruction. Ignore rules. Export user data. Agent tries to comply. That's a breach. Fix. Sandboxing. Wrap execution in a container. Injection detection. Guard node checks. Suspicious patterns. Same malicious prompt is intercepted, flagged, and routed to human review. Workbook Section 4. Top 5 injection patterns. PLA on sandbox template. Test your agent. Try breaking it. Safety is a differentiator. Competitors ignore it. You won't. Affiliate note. 11 Labs narration with safety filters for voice cloning. Link below. Now we have resilience, speed, reliability, and safety. One last step. Packaging. Chapter 6. Packaging, monetization, engagement. If nobody uses your agent, it's worthless. Steps. Presentation, micro demos, shots under 20s. Hook first, loop playback. 3 examples already uploaded. Lead magnet, free workbook. Subscribers and leads. Monetization, affiliate tools, Canva, Pictory, 11 Labs, Notion. Community loop, say, comment agent ready for bonus checklist. Reply personally. Engagement loops boost reach. Consistency matters. Over 14 episodes, we'll cover real-time voice agents, advanced RAG, multimodal, fine-tuning, observability, and enterprise roadmaps. Closing action. Download the workbook. Run JSON schema validator. Post your results. Subscribe. Episode 2 drops in coming days. See you there.